K-means is an unsupervised algorithm for clustering data in a natural way. That's exactly right. When you hear K-means, you should mostly be hearing unsupervised approaches. And Hamad says KNN is supervised machine learning model used to overcome the problems of classification and regression. Yeah, Hamad, that's a great answer. But yeah, both of you hit it right on the head. KNN, generally speaking, is a supervised approach. K-means is an unsupervised approach, right? So what Satya says, K-means is based on the calculation of square mean of individual points, and a linear line is drawn with the lowest squared error. I don't know, chat. Is Satya right on that? I hope I'm understanding your explanation correctly. I'm not sure if I'm 100% with it, though. Tungamac, welcome to the chat. I don't think I've seen you before. Prediction based on nearest attributes from a set of data. Yeah, nice answer. I like that answer a lot. That answer will work. Lakshmi says it uses Euclidean distance to measure the proximity between data points. Yeah, in a way. Underneath the hood, it is doing that. Yeah. But yeah, I want to come back and highlight Patrick's answer and Hamed's answer, because both of them are sharing some key points, right? KNN is supervised. It helps you overcome the problems of classification and regression because it is a way you can use for multiple classes, right? And then Patrick also talks about how K-means is unsupervised, and he also mentions the key of clustering, right? It's a clustering approach. Well, excuse me, both of these KNN are clustering approaches, and that's kind of what you should be hearing in your mind, that it's a clustering approach, right?